What up with y'all, man? So I just got my my Nipsey Hussle marathon mystery box. You feel me? So I think I ordered this maybe like 2 months ago. So we gonna go ahead and open this motherfucker, see what's in here. Okay, so we got a little sauce in there. So it's supposed to be 10 t-shirts and a sweatshirt. So let's see what the hell we got. I ain't gonna lie, I don't do a lot of white, but yeah, I definitely like some of these for sure. That I hustle. Damn, they gave me two of the same shirt. I wonder how many shirts they gave me duplicates though. Ooh, that marathon hoodie though. I think the box was only like $100, so that's like a little less than $10 a shirt. I mean, well, it was $200. It was $200, but I think I got like some type of discount or some shit like that. But I mean, to have waited about 2 months, it's not a bad haul. Go ahead and open some of these motherfuckers up.
A few minutes later.
Gang, gang. Okay, got the little front pocket and shit. Yeah, that motherfucker. That's definitely gonna get some play in the wintertime. RP to that boy neighborhood Nip, man. Alright, so we're just about to look through these motherfuckers to see which ones is duplicates. Alright, so let's see. So I got them two. I hustle. That shit go. It's crazy. Like I said, I don't really wear white like that. But out of these 10 shirts, I think like 7 of them is white. I ain't tripping though. Okay, so I mean, to be for real, that one, I think that one was the only duplicate. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, these 4 black ones is all different. I ain't gonna lie, I hit these niggas up like probably 5, 6 times. Like, yo, it's been a month, it's been 2 months. Where my shit at? And all they kept saying is, yeah, just hold on, we're gonna get it to you. But no kizzy though. Let me. Okay, so these two is the same. Them is all different, but then these two is the same. And then these 3 is all different. Yeah. I'll probably do something with one of these, and then one of these other white ones for sure. I'll probably do something with these 2. You feel me? If it's any Nipsey Hussle fans who are a 2X, you feel me? Get that shit out there. Maybe do a little something, some type of competition. I don't know. I mean, that's just if y'all want some free shirts. These shirts like $50 to $75 a piece. But yeah, that was unboxing my Nipsey Hussle Marathon mystery box. 10 shirts, 1 sweatshirt, $200. Yeah, it took a nigga almost 3 months to get this shit. So, I mean, for the wait, it's a little bit disappointing. But you already know, RP Nip.